Welcome the students in science class. Class 6, Unit 10, Mixture. Topics: Mixture, types of mixture, method of separating mixture, sedimentation, decantation, filtration, winnowing, sieving, magnetic separation, mixture. The substance made by mixing two or more than two different things is called mixture. The two types of mixture are homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. If the constituents of a mixture are mixed with homogeneously, the mixture is called homogeneous mixture. Example: salt water, sugar water, etc. Heterogeneous mixture. If the constituents of a mixture are not mixed with homogeneously, the mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. Example: sand water, muddy water, oil water, etc. Methods of separation of mixture. The process of separating various components of a mixture is called separation of mixture. The reasons to separate the mixture are: to get pure matters, to remove impurities of substance, to remove harmful substance. Methods are sedimentation, decantation, filtration, winnowing, sieving, magnetic separation. Sedimentation. The collection of insoluble particles mixed in water on the bottom of container is called sedimentation. Example: sand collects on bottom of sand water mixture. Decantation. After sedimentation, the clear water is poured from a beaker into another beaker is called decantation. Example, separation of sand water. Filtration. The separation of insoluble particles from the liquid by using filtering materials is called filtration. Example, separation of sand water. The clear liquid which is passed through the small holes of filter paper is called filtrate. The solid particles which is not passed through small holes of filter paper is called residue. Winnowing. The method of separating heavier and lighter substances with the help of blowing air is called winnowing. Example, husk from paddy. Sieving. The method of separating the solid substance from the flour by using the sieve is called sieving. Example, chaps from flour. Magnetic separation. The process of separating magnetic substances from the mixture with help of a magnet is called magnetic separation. Example, iron fillings and sand.